guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, these are nails. Well, I already made one. I'll be teaching you how to make these. Well, you can take the size like this much, yeah. Like this. I just made some designs. So I already made one, I told you. Now I have to still make 4 more. We'll do this now. I'll just get my tape. Now we just have to flip it and start rolling it. But you have to be very careful on this part. You have to tape it right over here. Well, this can be for the thumb. Yeah. We'll do the next one. Next, we're going to be doing the clouds. The same thing. Turn it. And fold it. And we have to tape it. Right over here. Now we can just keep it for this, I guess. This. We have to still make 2 more. Next will be this. To tape it right over here. This can be for this one. I have to still make 1 more, which is the last one. Flip it and roll it. We just need to tape it right over here. Just a minute. Yeah. Get the tape and tape it. And we are done with the nails. So I made 5. This. Or this. No. these are the nails, or yeah, these are the nails. How did you guys like it? So, okay, thank you for watching. Bye.